Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to change date and time settings on this device. So to do this, you firstly have to open Settings, then go to the additional settings, date and time. Here you can change your time format from 24-hour to 12-hour. You can adjust your time if you disable this network provided time. Here you can set up your date, set up your time. You can select your time zone here too. There is also an option of the home screen world clock and the dual clock. Display the time of your current location and your usual residence. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.